In professional finance studies, in Excel, we will discuss about validation rules, financial function, and advanced filters. Productivity tools are drop-down list by using data validation, payment per type function, and advanced filter. Drop-down list make data entry easier. Validation rule to control the type of data or the values that users enter into a cell. PMT functions calculate the payment for a loan based on constant payment and a constant interest rate. Advanced filter displays records only that meet complex criteria. So let's open the Excel file. This is the building and this is the scenario of this building. The purchase price is 8,50,000 and we can buy this building 8,50,000. We'll fix the down payment rate, interest rate, term of length, and we will calculate monthly installment. And after that, initial cost and monthly expense will calculate automatically. When we click on this cell, it shows a message. So we can fix this type of message by using the data validation. Select this cell, choose data validation, choose input message, type the title, type input message. And finally OK. See, this is the message. This is how we can create a message. Now we will fix the down payment percentage. Then again select this cell, data validation, choose settings, choose the drop down list, choose list, type the percentage like 10%, comma space 15%, comma 20%. Then finally OK. Now we can choose any of them. This is how we can fix a value. So now we'll fix interest rate. Select on this cell, data validation, choose the drop down list, select list, type the interest rate, comma space, then finally OK. This is how we can fix a value. Then again term of length, choose data validation, list 20 years, 15 years, 12 years, then finally OK. Here is a simple calculation, that is initial cost. Initial cost is purchase price into down payment interest plus estimated closing cost, and monthly installment will be all these expenses. So now we will calculate monthly installment. That is a function PMT. So use equal sign, then PMT, use parenthesis, rate would be this cell position, division 12 month, comma, number per payment would be this cell position into 12 month, then comma, present value, that would be minus this cell position into, use parenthesis, 100% minus 5%, that means 1 minus this cell position, close the parenthesis, use comma, the future value would be 0, comma, then at the end of the period the value would be 0, then close the parenthesis, then press enter. See, the monthly expense has calculated automatically. When we will change the percentage, the expense and initial cost also has changed. This is how we can calculate loan amount. Now we will discuss a different tool, that is advanced filter. Go to the next slide. When we will not get our desired value with the auto filter, that time we can fix the complex criteria in the different cell. From the auto filter tool, we will not get result if I use a complex criteria like this. If I need starting of this word, that means starting with the this value, this value, this value, so I need this type of data with genre biography value, and IMDb score would be is greater than 8, and we need also this type of data. The title would be anything, but release year would be is greater than 2005, and genre column would be action, and IMDb score would be is greater than 8.5. This type of complex criteria will not get data from the auto filter tools. So now I have to fix this type of criteria first. Now I fix this type of criteria manually. After that we'll go for the filter, that is advanced filter. So this title would be same as it is. If I mistake the spelling, it will not retrieve the data. So title would be same as it is, and type your criteria manually. After that we will go for the advanced filter. So select the data, main data, choose data, then advanced filter, copy to another location, choose the copy to another location, otherwise it will remove the main data. So criteria range would be from this cell to this cell. Copy to, that means where the filter data will be shown. Choose this cell position and choose OK. See the desired data. This is how we can query or filter any types of complex information.